Good morning, mathematicians. Today is Tuesday, May 19th, 2020. We will be reviewing place value, adding tens. Our lesson objective is I can add a two-digit number and a multiple of 10. Let's get started with a quick warm-up. We are going to do some mental math. Ready? Try to solve each problem as quickly as you can before time is up.
Math, addition flashcards, first and second grades. You have about 9 seconds to answer. 5 plus 2 equals 7. 3 plus 4 equals 7. 2 plus 1 equals 3. 4 plus 2 equals 6. 1 plus 8 equals 9. 3 plus 5 equals 8. 6 plus 2 equals 8. 9 plus 1 equals 10. 2 plus 5 equals 7.
Excellent job, mathematicians. How many of them did you get correct? Awesome job. Mathematicians, we're going to watch this video to learn about place value when we add tens.
So the number 23, we have a 2 in the tens place. So that 2 literally represents two tens, and we see it right over here. We have two groups of 10 blocks. This is a 10, and this is a 10. So this 2 literally represents two tens, one 10 and two tens. Now this 3 is in the ones place, and it represents three ones. We see them right over here. 1, 2, 3 blocks. And of course, if you had three ones together with two tens, these two tens represent 20, and these three ones represent 3, so you get 23. So let's write that down. So we could write down that 23 is equal to two tens plus three ones, plus three ones. Now what would happen if I added 20 to 23? Let me do that. So let's say, actually let me do something more interesting. Let's say we take 23, and to that we add 30. So let's add 30. 3, 0. 3, 0. So what is this going to be? Well, I start with 23, which I have represented here, and I'm going to add 30. 30 has 3 in the tens place, so it literally means I'm going to add 3 tens, and I'm going to add 0 ones. So let me add those 3 tens. So that's 1 10. This is 2 tens, and then that is 3 tens. So I've added 1, 2, and 3 tens here. So now, how many tens do I have? Well, I now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens. And notice, 2 tens plus 3 tens is equal to 5 tens. So now I have 5 tens. And how many ones do I have? Well, I still have those 3 ones, and you could think of it this way. 3 ones plus 0 ones is still going to be 3 ones. 3 ones. So what's 23? What's 23 plus 30 going to be? Let me rewrite it. 23 plus 30 plus 30 is going to be equal to, well, 5 tens. We could just write that as a 5 in the tens place, represents 5 tens or 50, and then we're going to have 3 ones. Oops, let me do that in the ones color, in that orange color, and 3 ones. So 23 plus 30 is 53. You have 2 tens plus 3 tens give you 5 tens. 3 ones plus 0 ones is equal to 3 ones.
Excellent job listening to the video. Let's go ahead and see the problem that we are going to be working on today. Read it with me. Jose did blank sit-ups. Then he did blank more sit-ups. How many sit-ups did Jose do all together? Okay, who is the problem about? Yes, Jose. And what is Jose doing? Sit-ups. Why would he be doing sit-ups? Why do you guys think he's doing sit-ups? Yes, he's trying to exercise. He's trying to stay fit. He's being healthy, right? Excellent job. So now that we know that the problem is about Jose and that he's doing sit-ups, let's read it one more time to see what else do we know. Jose did blank sit-ups. Then he did blank more sit-ups. How many sit-ups did Jose do all together? What happened in the story? Yes, so he did more sit-ups. So is the number of sit-ups getting bigger or smaller? Bigger, right? Because he's doing more. The question is, how many sit-ups did Jose do all together? In the bottom of your screen, you see the set of numbers. You have 64 and 30, 28 and 50, and 132 and 24. You are going to solve the problem with 2 different set of numbers. If I say, okay, I'm going to do 28 and 50 first. So I'm going to solve. Jose did 50 sit-ups, then he did 28 more sit-ups. How many sit-ups did Jose do all together? I'm going to solve that problem. Once I'm done, I'm going to go back and see, okay, now I'm going to do 64 and 30. Jose did 64 sit-ups, then he did 30 more sit-ups. How many sit-ups did Jose do all together? Okay, so you have to solve it with 2 set of numbers. Mathematicians, remember there are different strategies and tools that you can use to solve it. Remember what we learned yesterday about when we were counting our collections? Then we said that we could do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But imagine if I chose to do 64 and 30 in my problem. How long would it take me to draw 64 ones and then 30 ones? It would be forever. But we just learned today that we can use tens and ones. So is there a way to show 64 with tens and ones? Okay, think about that when you're solving your problem. All right, mathematicians? All right, mathematicians, on your own, you're going to solve the problem with two set of numbers. Don't forget to show your work. When you have finished, go ahead and share your work with me in Class Dojo. Excellent job, mathematicians. See you soon. Bye-bye.